So first we're going to cut 2.5 inches of our copper wire, and then we're going to use sandpaper to smooth out the rough edges, and then after that's done we insert it about 1 inch into our orange. Now we're going to observe what happens when you touch your tongue to the copper wire.
I'm about to touch my moist tongue to this copper wire.
And what happened?
Nothing.
Bummer. Well, at this point we have straightened out our steel paper clip and made it the same length as our copper wire. And then we sandpapered the paper clip and our zinc covered nail to expose kind of the surface of those items. And then we inserted them 1/4 of an inch away from our copper wire.
Moist tongue with these 2 wires. Where's the other wire?
And what did you notice?
Kind of like a little tingle on my tongue.
Oh! The tingle came from an electric current that was generated by our orange battery. This means that electrons were moving across the surface of the tongue. And electrons are subatomic particles that move across the atom center, and they make up the part of the atom that is negatively charged. A voltaic battery is a type of battery where there are 2 different metals that act as electrodes. Electrodes are a place where electrons may enter or exit a battery. All voltaic batteries need their metals to be placed in an electrolyte. An electrolyte is a substance that can carry electrical current when dissolved in water. So the tiny bit of salt in our saliva makes the saliva an electrolyte, and the sour citric acid does the same thing for the orange juice. The batteries stop working when there's not enough electrolyte to react with the metal, or not enough metal left to react with the electrolyte. If we wanted to take our experiment further, we could create a greater electrical current by connecting multiple orange batteries. We would make a second battery and connect that zinc piece to the copper piece of the other battery, and this would create a bridge that would create a greater electrical current. We could use our bigger orange battery to power something like a calculator. All we would do is remove the regular battery from our calculator, and we would hook up our copper electrode of our orange battery with the positive slot in the calculator's battery pouch. Then we would connect the zinc electrode with the negative contact.